Welcome to Shockwave Updates, the top 10 richest people in America in 2024. In 2024, the list of the top 10 richest people in America displays the significant wealth and influential achievements of a number of the maximum innovative and strategic minds in the country. These people have no longer best gathered considerable fortunes but have also transformed industries and substantially impacted the world. First, Elon Musk. Elon Musk leads the list with an astounding net really worth of $258.2 billion. At 53, Musk's ventures span more than one groundbreaking companies. Based in Texas, he has founded or co-based Tesla, a pioneer in electric-powered cars, SpaceX, a frontrunner in space technology and exploration, and The Boring Company, and modern tunneling and infrastructure firm. His visionary technique and incessant pursuit of technological advancement have solidified his position on the top. Second, Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, follows with a net worth of $16.3 billion. Now 60 and dwelling in Washington, Bezos commenced Amazon in 1994 from his storage in Bellevue. Initially an online bookshop, Amazon has grown right into a worldwide e-trade giant, revolutionizing how human beings save, study, and consume enjoyment. Bezos have an impact on extends to artificial intelligence, robotics, and cloud computing, making Amazon one of the global's most effective agencies. Third, Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg, 40, ranks one-third with a net worth of $187.3 billion. As the founder and CEO of Facebook, Zuckerberg has performed a pivotal role in shaping social media and digital verbal exchange. Under his leadership, Facebook has expanded its surroundings to include Instagram, WhatsApp, and Oculus, driving big boom and innovation in the tech enterprise. Fourth, Larry Ellison. Larry Ellison, co-founder of Oracle, has a net really worth of $176.8 billion. At 79, Ellison's contributions to the software program industry are exceptional. Oracle's database management systems and business enterprise software solutions have emerged as vital to companies worldwide. Ellison's strategic vision and enterprise acumen have propelled Oracle to the leading edge of the tech international. Fifth, Larry Page. Larry Page, 51, co-founder of Google, boasts a net well worth of $157.4 billion. Google's search engine revolutionized data get right of entry to and virtual advertising and marketing. Page's modern spirit has pushed the enterprise to make bigger into numerous sectors such as autonomous motors, synthetic intelligence, and healthcare through its figure corporation Alphabet. Sixth, Sergey Brin. Sergey Brin, 50, additionally a co-founder of Google, has a net really worth of $150.5 billion. Brin's contributions alongside Page had been instrumental in Google's achievement. His attention on innovation and forward-questioning initiatives has helped Google maintain its position as a global generation leader. Seventh, Bill Gates. Co-founding father of Microsoft, has a net really worth of $135.5 billion. At 68, Gates's influence inside the tech enterprise remains profound. Microsoft software answers, in particular Windows and Office, are staples in each private and commercial enterprise computing. Gates's philanthropic efforts via the bill. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on the world's most influential people.